Hey guys, Matthew here. I'm really not gonna do tutorial on burping. Yeah, we're just gonna show you my burping. I'm not adult, I'm a kid, as you can see. So I can't do like really big ones. I'm just gonna show you. Come back here. Yeah, that's fine. So, wait. Oh my gosh. Wait. That will be alright? Okay. So, those are my burps. Right, so I can't really explain how to do them. Skin's peeling off. Can I really explain how to do them? But I can just do them. I can't explain it because it's all on my insides, but I do have one little tip. So if you know how to burp, oh, come on, camera keeps on falling. If you know how to burp, what you do is just you drink some drink, and if you get the hiccups, after that you just keep on burping after you do the hiccups, like. It's really good. Right, we're just gonna have a good look outside. Yeah, 2 days ago we built an igloo and there was some snow. You can see that? Can you see snow? Yeah. So, wait, what? It's good. Oh! It's like... We're just gonna go down to the maybe. And if you think, right, I'm holding it. Carefully. That was a bit creepy. So, this is the tutorial.
Oh, 3.2. That's right.
3.2.
3.2 is a new record. That was about 3.
3.2, I need to beat that. 3.2? God.
Yeah. Alright, very toned down.
Good lord.
Make a video and show it to me. I want to see that.
I can see a Luke is a mirror. Did you see that?
I want to see that.
My brother slipped on that. Luke, look what you just did. My brother just did that.
3.6.
Oh, Dad.
Hit you with that one.
Aluminum one house baby.
Fart, I can't burp though. Listen to this guy burping.
Oh yeah, baby. It looks like a boy.
I personally just happen to suck in air and spit it back out. For example, you use the same.
What are you doing? Keep on standing on it.
You know, if you think you're on it. And you go ahead and tighten your throat muscles. I think it's really hard to breathe, but you still force the air down. And then it's all up in your stomach. And then you just force it right back up, like you're making yourself.
Hey!
Except minus the bottom.
Oh.
I'm going to demonstrate the muscles that
I won!
myself felt and, you know, all the throat. It sounds really weird and you kind of sound like a dragon. That's how much balloon. However, was all air. And that's what happens.
Oh my god, did you hear that girl?
And drink carbonated.
One 7, 8 in 3 months and give me that ball. So violent.
Hi, I'm Jason.
Ah!
I'm going to be showing
Daddy!
So first, you need your soap, of course.
Hey, I'm Andrew.
And
Put
so
that
you
down,
need
Matt.
two of your favorite
Why?
Hey, I'm Amanda.
Hey, I'm Joe.
Hey, I'm Matthew.
3 of your favorite carbonated beverages.
Today I'll be drinking this delicious can of Dr. Kid.
I will be drinking a Mandu. Perfect solution of the world.
So I'm gonna drink some drink.
I prefer beer, but I'm at work, so I will be drinking Joe Soda. Get some.
Now that the competitors are ready, you must put on your game face. A marathon annihilator is very serious. Andrew, the muscle man Kim, has been working out for 2 hours for this competition. Joe, or as we like to call him, Major Hangover, is actually hungover.
More.
Now that your game faces are on, please get set. Now open your cans.
You know you're drinking mine. Yeah.
So now, have each competitor take their first drink.
Ew! Guys, that was mayonnaise on that. Look.
The rest is pretty much self-explanatory.
Eat that. Sugar. Try and do that a lot more, Matthew. Try and do a long one.
Dr. Kim.
Andrew's attempting to use the science strategy, but Joe stole the show. Oh, there goes Amanda. Seems Amanda lost it.
And the video here.
She's
And this is on my iPod.
what a great competition.
Awesome.
The trophy
Just
for first
awesome.
place goes to Major Hangover.
Right.
Congratulations, Major Hangover.
And I'm gonna upload it now. 3, 2, 1, 0. Right. It'll just be exactly 10
And
minutes.
post it as a video below. See ya.
Are you actually trying to
Now, this is my friend. How do you conduct the burping contest?
Are you actually trying to make
You should conduct your own.
That's like orange.
Oh, I've always wanted to burp.
But you used to burp when you were a kid, because like you used to control it by Could you burp when you were a kid?
I've never been.